Hello everyone. Welcome to the Ghana Education Service News Today channel, where we bring you the latest and most trending information you need to guide your actions. I'm Jest from Jehuxtelo ITech, and in today's episode, we're discussing a new directive from the GES. Teachers and officers are no longer required to travel to Accra to submit their documents. Let's dive into the details. The Ghana Education Service has issued a directive aimed at preventing teachers from leaving their classrooms to travel all the way to Accra just to submit documents. This move is intended to ensure that teachers remain in their classrooms, maximizing quality contact hours with learners and thereby improving the quality of education delivery. The directive highlights that teachers and staff should submit all relevant documents to their metropolitan, municipal, or district education offices, which will then forward them to the regional HR offices. From there, the documents will be sent to the GES headquarters in Accra. This process aims to streamline submissions and reduce the disruption to classroom activities. Let's look at the specific documents that should no longer be brought directly to Accra by individual teachers or their representatives. According to the directive, these include 1. Salary reactivation documents. 2. Vacation of post forms. 3. Responsibility allowance requests. 4. Re-engagement papers. 5. Termination notices. 6. New entrance documents, for newly recruited staff. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay informed about critical updates like this, including salary issues, controller services, promotions, and academic calendars. Here's the official letter from the GES, dated May 31, 2024, detailing this new directive. It states that all relevant documents should be compiled and sent by the regional HR officers, both in soft and hard copy. The directive takes effect from June 3, 2024, and aims to enhance efficiency and maintain classroom attendance. In summary, this directive from the GES is designed to improve the efficiency of document submissions and ensure that teachers spend more time in the classroom. It's crucial for everyone to support this directive to enhance the quality of education delivery across the country. Remember, for more updates and detailed discussions on such important topics, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay informed and keep supporting quality education in Ghana. Bye-bye.